Champions are built, not born. Set by set. Lap by lap. Rep by rep. Each one of these reps makes us stronger, faster, more skilled. They provide an edge. They deliver results. Halo Sport is a new breakthrough for athletes. It activates the brain's motor cortex during training, leading to stronger and more coordinated signals between the brain and muscles, enhancing strength, skill, and speed. Are you ready to unlock your potential?
The Sport-Brella Wearable is a 5-way adjustable umbrella with a universal clamp. We've designed a heavy-duty clamp that attaches to both square and round surfaces. The clamp jaws are adjustable to clamp onto anything up to 1.5 inches. The Wearable is 5-way adjustable. The clamp itself can rotate on the surface it's actually clamped to, and then on the clamp we've actually got 2 of our hinges with push buttons. Then in the center of the umbrella we've got another one of our push button hinges, which gives another degree, and then the top of the umbrella rotates, and that's your 5 degrees of adjustability. The umbrella canopy also features our patented eye saver tips for durability and safety. And as standard, we coat the inside of the umbrella with a UPF coating for maximum sun protection. There's nothing on the market like it with this level of features and this amount of adjustability. It's a really cool product.
What you are tomorrow is, really what you're planning for today. I want to do things that I love to do for a long time, so I've got to make conscious decisions to enable that. I believe you can only work out as hard as your ability to recover. So the harder you work out, the faster you break down. To be able to rebuild my body with a good night of sleep is so important to continuing to play football at a very high level. It's very functional wear. The technology behind it emits far infrared. The far infrared, when it's against your skin, ends up reducing inflammation. Well, we initially used a bioceramic with certain acute injuries and thought that this would provide incredible benefits if it was embedded in the sleepwear. And without the sleepwear, I don't really feel like I would be able to achieve the things that I have done and hope to continue to do.
Chronic pain affects sleep, which limits activity, which worsens pain. It's a vicious cycle. But now you can break the cycle. Experience relief. Stay active. Sleep better with Quell. Quell is wearable pain relief technology you control. It's 100% drug-free. Quell's OptiTherapy automatically adjusts to deliver optimal pain relief day and night. And it's doctor recommended. Here's how it works. Quell stimulates the sensory nerves in your upper calf. Those nerves carry neural pulses to your brain. These pulses trigger a natural pain relief response in your central nervous system that blocks pain signals throughout your body. Quell is designed to live with you, bringing all day and all night relief. And it's easy to use. Snap the electrode in place, strap the band to your upper calf, and simply push the button to start relief. That's it. Quell tracks your therapy and sleep quality with an easy-to-use smartphone app. As a leader in neurotechnology, with its origins in the labs of MIT, Neurometrics has helped doctors diagnose and treat over 2 million patients since 1998. So regain what pain has taken. Reclaim your life with Quell.
Ready to move? Hey! Let's do this! Good hustle, Sarah. Now let's walk it out.
How am I doing?
You've got 1.5 miles left. Heart rate sensor on. Eyes on the prize. And nailed it. As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your Dash or Dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.